Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to extend background with generative fill here in Photoshop. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So what we are going to do is, say for example, we want to extend the background of this certain image. Now here in the left hand side, you can actually see the canvas. We're going to extend this one. So I'm gonna have this as 1000 for its width. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the square tool right here. So once we've clicked on the square tool, we're going to simply um, size it accordingly to the picture, and we're gonna invert the tool. Okay, and then afterwards we're just going to simply click on the generate fill and generate it. Basically, we don't actually need to input any other details onto our generate fill section, and we're just gonna wait for this to be generated basically. And as you can see, there has been a background being added onto the side, or it has extended. So there are actually different kinds of backgrounds that you could choose from. So choose the one that um, is best onto the picture. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this tutorial helpful.